Welcome to Math and Focus, Chapter 15.
Today's lesson is about
calendar!
Before we talk about calendar, I need you to remember something you've learned before: ordinal numbers and position words. We're going to pretend this lotion bottle is a drinking fountain. And we're going to have some stuffed animals lining up to get a drink of water. Go ahead, girls. So who is first in line?
Uni.
Who is second in line?
Meow.
Who is third in line?
Hound.
Who is fourth in line?
Foxy.
And who is fifth in line?
Bunny rabbit.
Bunny rabbit. Who is before? Who's going to take a drink before the hound?
Meow.
Okay. Who's going to drink before the fox?
Hound.
And who's going to drink after the hound?
Foxy.
Who is drinking last?
Bunny.
And who's drinking first?
Uni.
Now that you remember ordinal numbers and position words, we can start learning about how to use a calendar. Just a reminder, there are 7 days in 1 week. The first day of the week is going to be Sunday, and the last day of the week, we'll call that Saturday. Let's play a game. I'm going to read the first question, and you are going to answer it out loud before I write the answer down right here. Let's play. Number 1, there are blank days in the week. Say the answer now. Number 2, blank is the first day of the week. Say the answer. Number 3, the last day of the week is blank. Say the answer out loud. Number 4, blank comes just before Tuesday. Say the answer out loud, and let's see if you got it right. And number 5, blank is the day between Tuesday and Thursday. I think you got it right. Number 6, blank is the day that comes just after Thursday. Very good. These are calendars. There are 12 months in 1 year. The first month of the year is January. And the second month of the year is February. And the last month of the year is December. Some months have 30 days, like this one. And some months have 31 days, like this one. And February is the only month that has 28 or 29 days.
Yeah.
Since it's hard to remember how many days are in each month, I'm going to teach you a little trick. Take out your fist and take a look at your knuckles. You're going to start with the first knuckle. This one is January, and this one is February, right? This little dip. March is the knuckle. April is the dip. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July. And then you're going to go back. You're going to do this one again and say August, September, October, November, December. Now, every time you touch a knuckle, that month has 31 days. every time you touch a little dip, those months have 30 days, except for February. Now let's play the Blurt the Answer game. I'm going to read the question. You're going to answer it out loud before I show you the answer right here. Number 7. There are blank months in 1 year. Very good. Number 8. What is the 3rd month of the year? Number 9. June is the blank month of the year. Great. Number 10. Blank is the month between April and June. Which month is that? Number 11. Blank comes just before August. I hope you said July. And number 12, blank is the month just after September. I think I just heard you say October. Very good. April, June, blank, and blank have only 30 days. Remember the knuckle? See if you can figure out which 2 other months have only 30 days. And number 14, blank, 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 and blank have 31 days. Try to say them all. February has blank or blank days. And the last one, school starts in the month of blank. Now let's talk about the date. Remember the numbers on our calendar? These are called dates. This particular calendar shows the month of March in the year 2015. The month begins on a Sunday, and the date is March 1st. So we're pretending right now. The month ends on a Tuesday. See how all these numbers here are Tuesday numbers. The 3rd is a Tuesday. The 10th is a Tuesday. The 17th, the 24th, and the 31st are all Tuesdays. So the month ends on a Tuesday. And the date on the Tuesday is March 31st, 2015. If today is the 2nd Wednesday of March 2015, what is the date? So we have to use the 2015 calendar because every year it's different. So let's find out what today, pretend today is, if it's the 2nd Wednesday. Well, all of these down here in this column are Wednesdays. The 4th is a Wednesday. The 11th is Wednesday, 18th and 25th are all Wednesdays. So which one is the 2nd Wednesday of March 2015? You are correct if you are looking at this green 11th date. Very good. Time to blurt some answers again. Let's play this game a little different now. I'm going to read the questions out loud for you, and you are going to go ahead and blurt the answer before my finger comes and points to the answer. All right? Let's try it. The 2nd day of the month falls on a blank. The 2nd day of March falls on a blank. So it's looking for a day. Which day? Is it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday? Which day does the 2nd day of March fall? Here's the 2nd day, and I hope you blurted Monday. All right, let's try another one. There are blank Fridays in this month of March. So it's looking for how many Fridays there are. Well, here is the Friday column. So if you said 4 out loud, you are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4 Fridays in the month of March. What about the date of the first Tuesday of the month? What date? So now we're looking for a number. What date of the first Tuesday of the month? What is the date? Well, here's the first Tuesday. So if you blurted the 3rd, you are correct. If today is the last Wednesday of the month, what is the date? The last Wednesday of the month. Well, here's Wednesday. These are all Wednesdays. Which Wednesday is the last Wednesday of the month? 25th. The first day of the next month. I wonder if you can figure that out. So this is March. The next month is April. Which day will the next month start on? This one ends on the 31st, and so the next day will be April. Which day is that? If this becomes 1st of April, it is a Wednesday. So the next calendar is going to start on a Wednesday. It's not going to always start on a Sunday on the very first block. It's always going to start after the 31st or the 30th, or if it's February, the 29th or the 28th. It's always going to start after that last day. All right, here's the last question. A year after March 10th, 2015. So after 2015, March 10th, 1 year later will be March 10th. Yes, if you yelled 2016, you are correct. That would be next year. Same day, not the same day like this, same date, but it would be the next number for the year. I need to talk to you about how weeks work. So 7 days are in a week. So if we start here, all 7 of these days is 1 week. The week starts on Sunday and it ends on Saturday, just like this. This is 1 week. The next line would be 2 weeks, or the second week. The third one that starts on the 15th would be the third week. Sometimes we just count 7 days. So if I say, today's Tuesday the 10th, and I say, what was 1 week from today? What was 1 week from the 10th? Then we don't go back a week like this. We don't talk about just these days right here. We actually go back 7 days because 7 days are in a week. So we would go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it always ends up on the same day, like a Tuesday. So 1 week before the 10th, 1 week before was the 3rd of March. Okay? What's 1 week after the 10th? You're right, it's the 17th. What's 2 weeks after the 10th? It would be the 24th. Do you see how that works? So 2 weeks after the 10th is 2 times, you're counting to 7 2 times, and you end up on the same Tuesday, but 2 weeks later. Okay, so if I start over here and say, today's Friday the 20th, what was 2 weeks before the 20th? Then you would just go boom, boom, right there, the 6th. There's one last thing that you should know about calendar. The calendar helps you know the seasons of the year. So here are the 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Some are warmer and some are colder.